Consider stuff that falls. It's the most obvious thing in the world. Just let stuff go. But why does stuff fall? Some might answer, it just does. But some, perhaps stranger than others, might persist in asking why. We know from the stubborn heart of stuff, another unit in the stuff series, that force is responsible for changes in motion. And since there is a change in motion when stuff falls, falling must be caused by force. Sure. But what is this force? There is no direct connection, nothing pushing or pulling. Where does the force come from? After reportedly being hit in the head by falling stuff, Newton thought about it and came up with his law of gravity. This law says that stuff falls because of an attraction between all stuff, sort of a universal need for stuff to be with other stuff. This means that gravitational attraction between big stuff like the Earth and little stuff like people causes the little stuff to fall toward the big stuff. Gravitational attraction also makes the planets orbit the sun, a kind of falling that never stops. Here, paraphrased, is what Newton says about gravity. It works in straight lines through empty space or matter. It happens instantaneously. If you let go of something, it falls right away. It depends on distance, which means the force of gravity is less on top of Mount Everest than it is on the equator. And it depends on mass, which means that big stuff has more gravity than little stuff. And that's about it. We can describe the effects of gravity, but not what it is. It just happens. Like inertia, or God maybe, gravity is only a word for something which can't really be explained, just described. Next time we'll look at motion along straight lines and curved lines. That's weird too.